Ciao Tesla people, I just downloaded and installed the new software update 2025.14.9 and I wanted to check if the bug that I found, the UI bug that I found last year is still there. My guess it is. And the bug is the following. So if you pull up the climate control panel and then you select the wipers, the control panel doesn't go down, but the wipers is right below. Okay, so this happens even if you have an app on the side. So if you pull up the wipers, it's here. Okay, climate control goes on top. If I push again wipers, it's here, and the climate control doesn't go down. So that's a bug, typical bug of a stack UI stack software issue. I'm going to mention it as far as they fix this issue, because it is an issue, and anyone that does software development knows this. Anyway, please share it with others and share it with Tesla so they can fix this problem. It's not a big deal, but you know, it's a UI issue, and it's a typical UI issue. Anyway, check out my Tesla referral. If the link is in the description, you can get a discount. Also, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, share it, and I'll see you on next video. Ciao Tesla people.